Hey guys, welcome back to Sharing It. Xiaomi is set to launch devices tomorrow. 1 devices or 2 devices or 3 devices. Comment down now how much devices will Xiaomi launch tomorrow. We have leaks about 3 devices. So let's see it. I'm Bujul Tripathi, you're watching Sharing It. Xiaomi is set to launch 2 smartphones tomorrow. One is Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro tomorrow. So let's first see about Redmi Note 5. The Redmi Note 5 will support bezel-less display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. It is gonna be powered by a Snapdragon 625 chipset and it will come in 2 variants, 3GB and 4GB, with memory of 32GB and 64GB similarly. The camera is said to have dual camera at the behind. The 12MP camera with a supportive 5MP camera. The front camera is to be of 8 megapixels. The device will be powered by Android Oreo with an Xiaomi MIUI of 9.5. The battery of this device is same as the Redmi Note 4 of 4000 mAh. Now let's talk about the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is set to launch with a Snapdragon 636 chipset. The spec of the device remains same as Redmi Note 5, but let's see this again. It is also a bezel-less device with an 18:9 aspect ratio, powered by either 4GB or 6GB of RAM with a storage of 64GB. It is expected to run on MIUI 9.5 based on Oreo. A front camera which is expected to be of 20MP and an LED flash as usual. The device will also support an 4000 mAh battery like Redmi Note 4 and Redmi Note 5. Xiaomi has also launched a third device that will be a TV. Yes, and TV. This will be the first TV in India to be launched by Xiaomi after China. The smartphone will be unveiled on Xiaomi.com tomorrow at 12 PM and also on Flipkart websites. The flash sale is expected to be started from 1 week after the launch. So cross the fingers and wait for the Valentine's Day because Xiaomi is going to launch 2 or 3 devices tomorrow. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, comment down below and see you in the next video.